So hello, it's the unboxing of the 6215R model year 19 with a premium front hitch, no PDO. We put a Souter PDO on it. It can handle more horsepower than the John Deere PTO. We also put Mitas tires on it because we think Mitas is an upcoming brand tire, a good tire. Also the rubber on it is good, so we also want to try a 6215R with the Mitas tire. A new feature on the model year 19s are this one for the indicator. Now it's also on the right side a dot, so when the bicycle see standing next to it or something else, then they can see also that you're turning to the right or the left. It's the back of the machine. The machine is dirty, just delivered from the factory. So it's also, as you can see, snow here. So I think the machine is dirty also with salt, so we're gonna put the sprayer on it to clean it, because otherwise the salt is getting into the machine and that's not good. We also have a beeper on the back. Here in Holland nowadays you need it when they are on the construction site. They with a Beko or something else on it on the back, then they need it, because also for safety. For the ISOBUS, tractor has also air, 4 select valves, and we're going to put a Rockinger frame on it. We also have the biggest tank on the side. Full LED. There's also an ultimate edition. So the widest fenders, a blue, as you can see, ultimate edition. Here also on the indicator. And also this one has the new CommandPRO. Since this year we can order on all the 6Rs, from the 6110R to the 6250R, we can order it with CommandPRO. And we like that because now a lot of Fendt drivers says, yeah, but you don't have a multifunctional joystick. But now we have. And as you can see, when I pick my hand, it fits like a glove. As you can see, the CommandPRO. We sold a lot also on the 6230 and 250. We also sold a lot on the 6130R and the 6155R. People like it, so that's a good thing. We also can order the John Deere Auto Power normal. We can do that later. As you can see, 4 hours on the clock. As you can see also, this for the iTech, this for the GPS to put on and off. Front wheel drive. This for the spare differential, PTO. This for back and all the indicators. Also the little joystick for the front hitch, if you want. You can put it also on the CommandPRO. can see explain something also here on the right side for the little joystick if you don't know how to put it on. And they also put a sticker here on this side. It's very neat. It's the premium radio. So as you can see over here, you can put the sound louder or softer. You also we have Bluetooth for your telephone, just when they're calling you can call hands-free. Very nice. Here on the side we also ordered with a 6000 green star for the, and also an activation in the screen. So if you want to go to do a demo, we can do that, as you can see here, for the GPS. I like this screen, the touch screen. This is a 3600 screen. We now also have the 3200. It's a little smaller, and that's really better than the old one, the 4100 screen. This is bigger and better because you can put it your own way. You don't need glasses. We have the electrical mirrors, also with heater, big mirror. We also have a roof hatch. Here on the side are the books, 50K. And this is very nice. The turnable radius of the chair. Look how far you can sit. And look behind. Now you can see it's dirty, so I need to clean it. But yeah, we like this one a lot. Let's put it on. You can see there's not a lot of fuel in it. So yeah. So yeah, there you have it. The new 6215R with CommandPRO. 2 beacon lights on it. I think the customers will like this machine when we do the demo. So, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.